In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit YouTube Shorts on your iPhone. So I'm going to show you how to use the new YouTube Create app to go and edit your YouTube Shorts. Now, first thing you need to do is go and open up the App Store on your phone. In the search box, go and type in YouTube Create and then press search. You then need to scroll down to this app, which is YouTube Create, and click on the Get button. Now, this is YouTube's brand new apps that would allow you to edit your YouTube Shorts. Once it's finished downloading, press the Open button and make sure to allow access to your camera gallery. You can then press the Sign In button and you'll need to go and select your YouTube account. Once you're signed in, click on the plus icon and you can then select the video that you want to start editing. You can then click on Import. Now, if your video is a horizontal video like this, we first need to go and convert it into vertical format. So click on the downwards arrow in the bottom left-hand side. You can then scroll across to the right-hand side and click on Aspect Ratio. Now select 9:16, which is the YouTube short format, and then go and press Save. You can see that it will automatically crop your video into this rectangle. Now, you can go and reposition this just by dragging the video like so, and you can move it either to the left or to the right, depending on what part of the video that you want to show. You can also pinch your two fingers together to go and scale the video, and that will allow us to either zoom out or zoom into the video like you see here. Over in the bottom navigation, you'll have all of your different editing controls. So from here, you can create effects, transitions. You can also adjust the speed of the clips and things like that. Once you're finished editing your video, click on the share icon in the top right hand side, and then you can just go and press the export button. Now your video will automatically be saved to your camera gallery. You can go and upload this directly to YouTube as a YouTube short, and you can do that by clicking the upload button. Now, like I said, this will also be saved to your camera gallery as well, so you'll be able to find your edited video here too. So that's how to edit a YouTube short on your iPhone. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.